Hello Siacoin Holders, how are you? Hope you have a good day, my friends. You know what, in this video I'm talking about the Siacoin investment. My friends, this is the warning news for all Siacoin holders, my friends. Keep watching this video and never miss any second of this video, my friends. My friends, you know what, at this time the people ask me questions about Siacoin, that is Siacoin a good investment or not, my friends. So in this video I will show you, my friends, is it the best time to invest in a Siacoin or not, my friends. So before starting this interesting video, please click the subscribe button and like this video. If you subscribe my channel, so absolutely you will get the latest update about the Siacoin and in other cryptocurrencies market news, my friends. At this time the latest price of the Siacoin is 0.015174 USD dollar. Is the latest price of this Siacoin. On the other side you can see here, my friends, is absolutely this is the warning for all Siacoin holders that please now in this time the Siacoin price is going down. So please don't invest in a Siacoin. If you invest in a Siacoin, so the price is going down day by day, hour by hour, my friends, maybe the price will very badly fast down tomorrow or the next day in the future. The price will be badly fast down. So what should we do? No, my friends, no, it's not a perfect time to invest in a Siacoin. And now the currently you already know about from the previous last 1 week, the whole cryptocurrencies market is going down, and from the price chart of the Siacoin, that's clear. And that is the last 1 week price chart of the Siacoin, and you can see here, so I told you, my friends, from the previous last 1 week, this time the very big dump Siacoin in the Siacoin. Now at this time also the price fast down, you can see, but slowly the price is going down, my friends. So my personal recommendation for all Siacoin holders is that please don't invest more in a Siacoin, and invest in a Siacoin, but when they start pumping, my friends, now the current situation is going negative, so I think it's not a good time to invest in a Siacoin, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion and what is your prediction about Siacoin? Please tell me in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe Avies Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video, my friends.